Today is the first day of Ramadan and we are here in Ras Al Khaimah. During Ramadan, here as a tradition in the United Arab Emirates, cannons get shot like the one you see here. This is a tradition that has been going on in the United Arab Emirates and all Gulf countries. So today I want to show you the beginning of Ramadan, how it's made, and we are here in Ras Al Khaimah. Each emirate is doing this as a tradition to celebrate the Iftar. This is a time when the people are breaking their fast from a long day of fasting. So we are having ready the cannon and we are having the police. And a lot of people are going to come here. Please, at this time, everyone is coming. It's almost now cannon time. So everyone is coming and the crew is getting briefed about how they're going to do. It's only the time we have been waiting. Today is the beginning of Ramadan. During Ramadan, it's going to be one shot every day. And this is a tradition here in the United Arab Emirates. So we are still patiently waiting to the time of Adhan. And the crew is getting ready, as you see. Mhm. Yeah, as you know, the tradition is done. Now people are breaking the fast. The cannon is being shot, and this is the beginning of Ramadan. And we are looking for more videos in Ramadan to show how people break their fast in different places in the United Arab Emirates. It's a beautiful place here in Ras Al Khaimah, and this is the sounds we are looking forward to hear every time the Ramadan comes back. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time in the next video. Godspeed everybody.